So welcome back to MrYouWho. Andy here again. Great to have you with us today. So today we're going to be reviewing the JBL Tune 220 TWS headphones, as shown here. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the headphones, testing the headphones out. We're going to be doing a review of them, but we're also going to be putting the headphones through their paces. I love doing exercise myself, so we're going to look at what they're like walking, running, cycling, give a bit of test out. We'll look at the sound quality as well, dive into key features and benefits. But with the headphones, we'll also go to MrYouWho question time, the second one we've done. And then finally, we'll do a bit of an overview and whether you should buy the headphones. So, to be honest, they're great headphones, but look out for it now. And as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click a notification button, and let us know in comments if you have any other ideas for reviews or any other thoughts. So let's dive in and have a look at the JBL 220 headphones in this MrYouWho review at MrYouWho. So now we're going to do an unboxing and have a look at the headphones. So you can see here is the box in place. So there it is. So there, we turn it over and there's the headphones right there. So if we open up the box and let's have a bit of a look at what we have here. So straight away you can see the design of the headphones. Is very similar to the Apple Airpods, although I'd say they probably have a much more stylish and younger design. I also like how the case itself is like a round pebble. It's very nice and soft to the touch and opens up very easy, so you just touch it slightly and it flicks itself open. Now the case itself with the headphones is only 57 grams, which makes it a very, very light design. It's very good. So let's put down the case for a moment. Now also with the packet comes a quick start guide and just your warranty information with the headphones. So I just put that to the side. So if we take the headphones out, straight away I love how lightweight the headphones feel. They feel really good quality. As you can see, there's a button there which you can press. It's touch sensitive. It can be used to pause and play your music, skip tracks, accept calls, and some of your device assistant, whether you use Google Assistant or Siri. So I'll just move that to the side. Now the headphones also use Google 5.0, which will give excellent connectivity without any annoying dropouts or pairing issues. And you should be able to get up to 15 meters connectivity on it. So if we open up and have a look at the case, as you can see there, it gives you blue and red for pairing. So if we put the blue on the blue side, just there, and the red on the red side. Now as you can see, the three lights come on. Now that's for the charging. So the headphone cells have a playback of 3 hours, and you can get 19 hours out of the charger from the plastic case, or around 3 charges. And it takes about 2 hours for headphones to charge. So what I suggest is put them in the case between using them. Now if we take it out, the headphones actually activate when you take it out of the case. So now you see the lights come on. So I'll take the other headphone out as well. And that comes on as well. So that's the headphones. Really nice, good looking set of headphones. So I hope you really enjoyed the JBL 220 headphone unboxing then, and having a look at the headphones, how they look. So what we're going to do now is going to put the headphones on. As you can see, there's a case we spoke about earlier. So you open it up. So the left one, which will face you, goes into the left ear. The right one into the right ear. So what it does is, in this case, it's actually connected automatically because I had them on before. But if you want to connect them, just hold down the Bluetooth button for them to connect to your device. So straight away, these feel very comfortable in the ear. They're very, very light earphones, and they don't move around much, which is really good as well if you're on the move, which we'll do shortly. Very comfortable, probably just as comfortable as the Apple Airpods as well, if not more comfortable. And they don't hold a seal around your ear too much, which means you don't get the kind of headache when you have loud music playing for long periods of time. So yeah, they feel quite good. I know whether you guys think they look quite good as well. I think they do. So let's go and run out now. Let's go and use it while doing some running, doing some cycling, see it actually work out in the field. And then we'll come back for MrYouWho question time. So let's dive right in. So just got back from a run with the headphones on, and the headphones work really well. Didn't move at all in my ears, kept really still. Sound was really good, and I couldn't really tell they were there as well. So yeah, really good for sport and being on the go. So yeah, good work. I've also just been for a bike ride as well. They sat really well in the ears, didn't move around a lot as well, and I could still, I couldn't hear much around me as well, which is good. And I also used them as voice when I was riding too. It came across really clearly when I was there. So great headphones to use for sport. So yeah, well done JBL. The thing about using the headphones in the gym is you couldn't hear the music playing in the background. It was really good. The headphones seemed to cut quite well over the ears. And as you can see, it didn't take away from my exercise at all. They didn't interfere. They actually, you could hardly even tell they were there. It was really good to use at the gym as well. So welcome back to another Mr.YouWho question time. It's very exciting. So today we're going to look at a number of different questions we've had about the JBL 220 TWS headphones. So the first question is, what are different colours the headphones come in? So the headphones come in 6 different colours, including black, pink, white, blue, grey and green, as you can see here. So different colours depending on what you need, and I think they're quite a good palette bunch. So the second question is, can I listen to just one earbud? Well, left earbud is dependent on the right earbud. So you can't just use the one solo. So you need to have them both in place if you want to hear across both of them. So the third question is, what is the quality of the voice or the video call that you would do? So Mr.YouWho, we've tried it out for a number of different calls, both video and voice chat, and we found the quality to be exceptional. The people on the other end of the phone could hear us fine, and with the noise cancellation based in the headphones as well, it really helped him reduce the amount of noise that they could hear. And that was also us hearing them as well. So it was very, very good for that purpose. Excellent. So can I use these headphones with Android and Apple? Yes, you can use these headphones with Android and Apple. They're both for the Android system and the Apple iOS system in place. They're really good. So last question is, what are some of the functions of the headphones? Well, the headphones, you can use Siri, Google Assistant, or Bixby. You can change tracks on your music, you can pause and play songs, you can also answer phone calls, and it's just as simple as going to the headphones and just pressing the button once or twice depending on the functions that you wish to use. So I hope those questions really helped you out with Mr.YouWho question time. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the review today and unboxing of the JBL 220 headphones. So what's Mr.YouWho's final view on the JBL 220? Well, we've really enjoyed using your headphones and unboxing them. We think they're great little headphones to use at home, exercising, or even on a daily commute. The reason being is they're quite stylish headphones. They sit well in the ears. You can't really feel them as well. You don't even notice if they're in there most of the time. The sound quality's good, good bass, good sound as well. The only thing I suggest is it'd be good to have a little bit longer battery life in them. But that being said, because the case is so lightweight, take the case out with you, pop the headphones back in, you get about 5 charges out of it, so I don't see that as being such an issue. The great thing of Bluetooth 5 technology as well is the Bluetooth connection is really good as well. The sound quality is really good. Now I like the fact how you can actually control your phone from pressing the button as well, whether it's controlling tracks, you know, calling Google or Siri, it's really good. So JBL, you've done a great headphones here. We really like them, so well done. And there are an alternative to the Apple Airpods if you're looking at different headphones. So Great job. Well done. Now, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the JBL 220 headphones, or if you've tried any other headphones yourself. Again, thank you for watching. Really enjoyed having you here today. And look out for the next video here at Mr. YouWho.